Welcome to another quick tutorial. Today we're diving into how to fix your mobile hotspot not showing up or being detected on your Windows 11 computer. It can be a real headache when you're trying to share your connection, so let's resolve it step by step without too much hassle. Here we go. Start by opening the search menu. Just click that magnifying glass on your taskbar and type Settings. When it comes up as the base match, go ahead and open it. On the left side, look for Network and Internet. Give that click. Then on the right, scroll down a bit until you see Mobile Hotspot. Click into that section. Now make sure the toggle is set to the position. If your PC supports it, you'll see it light up. Mine doesn't. So it's grayed out here, but yours should work if it's compatible. Under Network Properties, hit Edit to tweak the network name and password. Save them however you like to so others can connect to your hotspot. That's the core of it. Pretty simple step. That's all there is to it, folks. With those quick steps, your mobile hotspot should be up and running. If this solved your issues, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Catch you all in the next tutorial. Stay connected. Goodbye.